Hello everyone, this is my project for session number 5 of International Teacher Training Program on Python with Pictoblox by STEMpedia. This session is centered on the use of Python libraries for data science. This Python program creates a tool for student grade management. It lets you quickly input, organize, and visually compare student performance across different subjects. I've used Pandas library and Matplotlib. This is the Python code. The program begins by prompting the user to enter the number of students. For each student, you'll input the name and then individual grades for 5 subjects: Italian, Math, English, Science and Technology. Then, when the grades are collected, the program uses the Pandas library to transform this raw data into an easy-to-read table. Let's try. Enter the number of students. 4. Student number 1, name Anna. Grade of Italian, Math, English, Science, Technology. Name of student 2. Okay. Italian, Math, English, Science, Technology. Student number 3 is Gino. Italian, Math, English, Science, Technology. Student number 4 is okay. Italian, Math, English, Science, Technology. This is the table containing grades for all students. And this is a visual grade comparison. The program uses the Matplotlib library to generate a line graph. Each student's performance is represented by a unique line on the graph, plotting their grades across the different subjects. This visual representation makes it simple to compare individual student progress and identify overall trends in performance. Thank you so much.